Hello Sir Felix, si Frederick Reyes to. Dito ako ngayon sa Saskatoon, Canada with Otto. At narinig ko na magre-retire ka na, so I pray for your good journey, God's blessings, more wisdom. Yan ang mga natutunan ko kay Sir Felix. Having a good wisdom, problem solving in any situations in life. Hindi lang sub-sub sa trabaho, kundi may time para mag-enjoy sa sarili. Bagay, sabi niya lagi sa akin is, life is short, enjoy life. Salamat sa lahat ng naitulong mo sa akin, alam mo lahat yun. And I pray na maging prosperous pa ang lahat ng plano mo. Ang dami natin pinagdaanan through, naalala ko sa challenges mo way back then, na one of the heaviest challenges I know in your life. But we prayed and God granted our prayers that you were freed and proven yourself to be innocent. Kaya nga successful ka sa buhay mo ngayon. And I also remember, natutunan ko sa iyo na there was a stampede, remember, in the Wawawi, were very unusual emergencies, but still you're still holding the wisdom to solve problems, to set programs, to set plans. Successful tayo nun, and we don't have any problem with that before. And sa lahat ng mga night outs natin, yan ang mga namimiss ko kay Sir Felix. I'm a very simple man, but you made me an awesome man also, like you. Kaya nga ginawa kitang ninong sa aming kasal, because you're a great person. And I will not say much more, but God bless you on your new journey. I will see you this year. Bye.